Unleashing the power of hybrid clouds. Are you ready to level up your cloud strategy? Introducing hybrid clouds, the perfect blend of security and scalability for your organization's digital transformation. With hybrid clouds, you can scale your resources based on demand, ensuring efficient utilization and cost savings. Keep sensitive data secure on premises while leveraging the power of the public cloud for non-sensitive workloads. Plus, enjoy robust disaster recovery solutions to ensure business continuity. Managing a hybrid cloud can be complex, with challenges in configuration and compatibility. Security and compliance become critical factors, requiring careful control and data transfer management. Cost optimization also requires diligent monitoring and resource utilization. Hybrid clouds offer the best of both worlds. Compared to public clouds, private clouds, multi-cloud environments, and traditional on-premises infrastructure, hybrid clouds provide a seamless integration of security, scalability, and flexibility. Unlock the potential of hybrid clouds? Take your cloud strategy to the next level with the Sprintzeal app. Access expert guidance, training courses, and stay ahead of the curve in the world of cloud computing. Level up your skills and drive digital transformation with the power of the Sprintzeal app. Don't miss out. Get started today and take your cloud journey to new heights.